Sisters, I gather you here today on the unholiest of afternoons, having accepted the invitation to conjure the spirit. The film Independent Spirit, Award Spirits, Spirit. Through this ancient ritual, we shall reject commercial cinema and pledge our souls to the pursuit of dangerous art.
Mondo Treasure, Lord of the Arts, Ghost of Barbara Loden.
Speak to me, Altman, Ashby, Antonioni.
Maya Darren.
Maya Darren, bring me the pain of Alexander Payne. Speak to me.
Begin the sacrifice! We reject the Hollywood mainstream. Our future is with our sisters, in a bond sealed with blood. That's cute, ladies. But this ain't no book club.
Me the virgin sacrifice!
Here he is, sister.
Finn Wolfhard, the bastard child that burst from the loins of the Netflix algorithm. Prepare to die.
I told him I was giving him a ride to GameStop.
Marsha, the dagger, please.
Forged from the gold of my Oscar. We twist the blade of mainstream success against itself, that we may reap our promised bounty. More limited theatrical releases and modest success.
No, wait. I'm not a virgin. Women love me. Like all women, I'm like a 4-quadrant cutie.
I can get another virgin.
Ladies, I love all your work, by the way.
Thanks, that means a lot to me.
You know, it's a real honor to meet you guys. I've been watching you since I was a little kid, so.
Kill him! Spirit, come to me! Make me your host!
I'm gonna go because I'm gonna get blamed for this shit.
Can I just say, it's so great to see you outside of work.
You know, we're all so busy.